Hey, yo, Edgar Berlanga replacing Gervonta Davis for the Jake Paul fight, my people. This is what it's looking like. They have been looking for potential replacements for Gervonta Davis because he got in trouble and is being sued and is allegedly being accused of a couple stuff that seem crazy, my people. So the promotion is already looking for potential replacements, and one of them might be Edgar Berlanga. He's already in Miami and he's already close to that weight class, my people. Will make it a more competitive fight, I feel like, my people. Chris Mannix posted on X, Twitter, and said Netflix and reps for Jake Paul have been exploring potential replacements for Gervonta Davis. Sources familiar with the situation told SI Now. Paul Davis' schedule for November 14th is in limbo after new allegations of DV against Davis, my people. Let me know how y'all feel about this, and let me know how y'all feel about if they was to match up Edgar Berlanga and Jake Paul, because now that's not no circus run, especially Edgar Berlanga coming off of that loss, you know what I'm saying, to Hamza Shiraz. He's not going to come here for no money grab. He's going to love the money while he's doing this, but he's going to try to get his name back. If he could knock out Jake Paul in a spectacular fashion, that's going to put his name back up there, because that's why people love Berlanga. I mean, they love the knockouts and the skill-wise and all that, but they really love him because of his personality, his persona, my people, you feel me? So if he could come out here and still put Jake Paul to sleep somehow, my people, that's going to bring him back. And also the other way around. If Jake Paul could get, you know what I'm saying, Edgar Berlanga in the ring and drop him or even hurt him or even stop him, you know what I'm saying? Even though, yes, he's coming off a loss and getting stopped by Hamza Shiraz, but this is a different person. This is Jake Paul, you know what I'm saying? Hamza Shiraz is an actual boxer. And even that fight was controversial because of the whole hand wrap situation being suspicious, you know what I'm saying, allegedly. You feel me, my people? Let me know how you feel about this. How do you feel about this matchup? And who do you think will win if they was to do this, my people? Because, you know, they have to look for potential people right now because things with Gervonta Davis are never too sure. You know what I'm saying? Things be on the limbo, like they say. You know what I'm saying? Like, you never too for sure. Like, he's supposed to be there at 3 for press conference. He getting there at 7, my people. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be there for 2 minutes. Let me know how y'all feel about this, though. I feel like this will be a great matchup. You know what I'm saying? I feel like this will prove something for the winner in this case, and if it comes close or a draw or something like that, that would not be good for my guy Edgar Berlanga. Edgar Berlanga would need to go in there and knock out Jake Paul to actually bring his name back up, you know what I'm saying, and get that respect, especially against somebody like Jake Paul that a lot of people not respecting, even though he has been putting in work for who he is. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel about this. Gervonta Davis getting replaced by Edgar Berlanga, my people.